Extended proximity is often used in smooth and can really affect the holds and positions. For example, if we do a box step in ballroom hold and contact proximity, we'll just dance a box step for you. You can see we are in closed position, but if we keep dancing the same figure, you can see now we are in extended proximity, and now instead of being enclosed, we're in open facing position. Just going to do that from a different angle. Closed position. And then if we go further away from each other, you can see now we can see each other. Now we're in open facing position. So the figure itself has not changed, but the proximity affected the hold. We went to a wider ballroom hold, and then we can even do the same thing in double hand hold or single hand hold.